How to make a freeze frame character like this using CapCut, and it's completely free. First of all, you determine your video part. Then you click on the freeze option. Then I'll increase my freeze frame into 4 seconds to increase the length, the duration. Then click on freeze frame, then copy or duplicate it, then overlay the duplicate, then align it with the first one as the freeze frame. Click on this, click on the remove BG, click on auto remover, click on stroke. You select any solid color of your choice, so I'm okay with this one. The next thing to do is to add a little bit of zoom effect. So you click on the overlay, click on keyframe, move a bit to the end, then you look for basic, click on basic, increase the scale a bit. Then we're going to tap on the freeze frame, the main clip. We'll reduce the saturation and the brightness a bit, make it a little bit darker. Then we'll head over to effect, video effect, then move over to texture. Then we are going to use this dot 6 string, string. And I'm going to adjust and reduce the filter to 0, and that is it. Yeah, the next thing to do is to add the name. I just decide to add any name of your choice. So this is it.